Hello, my name is Logan Roth. I made this project along with Hassan Chen, Arv Mehta, and Zia Mohammed, and we are here to present our app named Everybody Votes. Inspired by recent political controversies regarding our Speaker of the House and a critical branch of our government, worries that we, and potentially many other U.S. citizens, lacked an understanding of the representatives and made choices that control our lives. Additionally, a huge percentage of young people nowadays tend to not vote or get engaged politically. Only half of all people eligible to vote did in the last election, and only 27% of people under the age of 30 actually did. We wanted to tackle this issue by spreading information about the people who represent us, from local to national levels, and wanted to encourage people by informing them of the importance of their vote. To address this lack of awareness, we built a mobile app fully from scratch, without the age of website builders. This app provides users information about their representatives. The app uses GitHub to host the website, Google's Firebase as a database, Google's Civic Information API, and Wikimedia's free API to access immediate information. We used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to display, format, and process the information for a well-rounded user experience.
First, we'll demonstrate the guest version of our app. On the home screen, the user can see when the next general and presidential elections are, as well as providing a summary of the American voting system. Our quiz tests the knowledge of the user based on information from the homepage to further increase the user's comprehension of the information. If the user gets a question wrong, the app will inform the user of the correct answer, and the app will explain why the answer is correct. Here, if a guest user decides they want to save their information, they can create an account by clicking Create an Account.
We store the user's information such as their address, city, and zip code. Our app displays the next general election the user is able to vote in once they're 18 years old. Here, the user can see all their representatives, which is segmented by level. We have a separate bar for federal officials and one for state. The user can click on a representative, like Eric Swalwell, for example. Now we can see some information about him, like his political affiliation, his position, and a brief description of our representative. Now you can click the back button to look at your other reps.
To remind our users about the requirements to vote and the process needed to register to vote, we have a checklist that lists off the items that the users should complete prior to voting. Any items checked off by the users will be stored with their account within the database, so after they log back in, the same items will still be checked. On their profile, a signed-in user is able to edit their information, with the app updating to adapt to the newly saved information.
As a guest, the user is still able to find their representatives through our app, with the guest user only needing to manually input their data. Our app can locate representatives for any region in the US and provide a general description of the politician and their political views.